I'm going to say a very important thing, guys. As far as market makers method is concerned, or as far as BTMM is concerned, I want you to know and understand that in Forex trading, following the trend is very, very important. Following the trend is very, very important. You know, the reason why most people make losses in the Forex market, it's because they see opportunities, they jump into opportunities, and they don't even check the overall market trend. They don't even check the overall market change. So this is what I am actually trying to advise you, that following the trend is very, very important. Knowing where you are in the market and where you are going next is very, very important. Let me advise you, pullbacks in the market are there to trap people. Like I've always said, a pullback in the market is there to trap people. But the problem is, you guys, you fall for pullbacks. That's the greatest mistake that you do. You fall for pullbacks. No matter how nice or how clear pullbacks can be, if a trade is the pullback of a trend, don't fall for it. Even if it's going to pay you 1,000 times, don't fall for a pullback. Always trade in the direction of the market trend. The reason why the dealer keeps on pulling back in the market is because he wants to trap traders. He wants to change your analysis decision. He wants you to feel left out. He wants you to feel that the trend has changed. He wants you to change your mind. He wants to play around with your emotions. So we mustn't fall for market pullbacks, because market pullbacks are never in the direction of the market trend. So this is what I'm trying to say. If your trend is in that direction, no matter how much the dealer pulls back on you, no matter how much the dealer pulls back on you, if the trend is in that direction, it means you only fall for those trades. You only fall for those trades. It means you only fall for those trades. You never fall for these trades. Don't ever fall for these trades. The moment you try to trade these trades, I want to assure you that you will never know how deep the pullback is going to be. Yes, sometimes you can actually predict. Sometimes I can even use order blocks to predict where a pullback can turn. Sometimes I can even use trend lines to predict where a pullback can turn. But trading pullbacks is not a good idea, because sometimes the dealer can act as if he's doing a pullback, and then he just surprises you and he continues the trend. So don't ever fall for market pullbacks. And a pullback is always an opportunity in the market. A pullback is always an opportunity in the market. It's never a threat. I always say this very same thing. When the market pulls back on you, it is giving you an opportunity to re-enter again. It is giving you an opportunity to add a position. So you just have to calculate your risk, look at where the market is going, how far you think the market is going to go, and then check and enter the market. The market is not really that difficult, but your emotions contribute a very great percentage in trading. Now, the problem is market pullbacks are the ones that affect us in the market. Whether you're trading binary, whether you're trading currencies, market pullbacks, they have a great influence. They have a great influence. They are the ones that can actually determine your trading. You'll find that sometimes you get early TPs, sometimes you get stop loss hit entry, sometimes you actually decide to close the pair because you're seeing the market is pulling against your position, but you know that your position is actually in line with the trend. So when we are saying we are trading in line with the dealer, we are simply saying that we are only taking buy trades because we are going in that direction. So whenever the dealer pauses in a buy trade, we get in and trade away from the anchor and move with the dealer. So we will not fall for these kind of trades. We won't fall for this kind of trades, but we will fall for these kind of trades. We can't fall for these ones because they are against the trend and we don't know how long the dealer is going to pull back. I always tell people, no matter how clean the pair, the opportunity is, don't ever place a position that is against the market trend. And I know some of you might have a question on how to see the market trend. I've always taught on so many videos on how to see the market trend. It's not something difficult. It is very, very